What's up, YouTube? We are the Mckinney twins.
DA got that
We'll be eating seafood and answering some questions that some of you guys probably asked us on social media, like through Facebook and Instagram, because a lot of you have a lot of questions. So we wanted to do a question and answer, and I'm just she's so mean. But so some of y'all had a lot of questions because yes, we are both pregnant at the same time and we are due on the same day. So we want to answer some questions that y'all asked us, okay?
And eat a little bit of something.
A little bit of seafood.
So you want to empty it out?
Yeah, you want to just win on? Well, yeah, we can.
Yeah, I don't want to keep digging in the bag.
Okay.
Is this tray big enough?
Will you?
Yeah, I feel like it is. See, girl, it was melting.
I knew it was melting. Yeah. It's just going to be, it's like empty. Ooh. Ooh.
God send me an angel. Bro, this sour here alone look good by itself.
Oh my God, this is beautiful. We got to take a thumbnail, so hold up something and just smile, sis. We're gonna get these out of our way. Okay, she couldn't wait. And we got some butter. But let's hold up something. We gotta take a thumbnail.
I can't hold up what you hold up.
So you're just gonna hold up this corner? Perfect. Okay. Okay. So we'll get into the questions in just a second. Let us get the feel of the food.
I can't wait.
Obviously you can't.
You got the questions pulled up?
Huh? I'm about to have it pulled up in just a minute. Y'all, we got this food from Blaylock. It's Blaylock.
Where we always get it from?
Blaylock seafood. I was not expecting to eat that whole potato, I promise. I please come in nothing. I've got to put a side for my me too. You know? But like I was saying, y'all.
Oh, wait a minute.
But damn.
Oh, look at it.
But like I was saying, y'all, we are identical twins. Sorry, she's so rude. We are identical twins. We are pregnant at the same time. And we are due on the same day. So, like I was saying, y'all had a lot of questions. Even some questions that we even seen, like somebody asked, but they didn't ask. They asked like in a comment or something. We added those questions as well. Is it that good?
Girl, it was life.
But,
yeah.
Wait, hold on, good. Let me get a shrimp.
But it was, ask what?
I'm going to answer some of these questions in a minute.
Somebody asked in the comments what?
Like when people was asking in the comments, like they weren't asking. They was basically, how would I put it? They was basically stating something that wasn't true. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, that we tried to do at the same time?
Well, you can't.
I didn't flip them off. Look.
Oh.
People that ask that question are ignorant.
We gonna answer some. Y'all like my glass?
I just feel like that was an ignorant question.
But anyways, like I said, we're gonna answer some of the questions some of the people had. If I find them. Okay, the very first question that we got asked. Did y'all plan y'all did y'all plan to get pregnant at the same time? First off, no, we did not. We did not plan it. My sister wasn't even thinking about having another child right now. Okay? We did not plan it. And if we did plan it, it would have been some years to where we would have got it. We had to get it right. Because you couldn't just plan something like that in like a month in advance. So no, we did not plan it.
We just synced. Our administration are synced.
We're very synced since we live together and literally around each other 24/7. Our cycles synced up. And
It's literally start on the same day. If she was late, I was late. If I was late, she was late. It literally start on the exact same day. We don't know why. Well, kind of do. Because I don't know. Do that matter?
Females say if a female around each other all the time, then they cycles will sync up to each other.
That's basically
what happened to us.
That's why our due dates are the same. But our babies don't measure the same. Our due dates are the exact same.
Mm-hmm.
When we was both 6 weeks, the babies measured the same.
Like when we went in for our first ultrasound, we were 6 weeks and 3 days, and we both measured the exact same, 6 weeks and 6 days, and they was like, "Oh my God, like how does that happen?" But now we're not measuring the same.
She measuring a week ahead of me.
Yeah, my baby is measuring a week ahead of hers. But
she just got a big old baby.
Yeah,
he gonna be fat.
But the sperm donor that I have is like he's a pretty big guy. Like he's 6'2". I would say 6'1", 6'2". And then I'm 5'8". My real daddy, my father.
Our real daddy.
Well, you know what I meant, girl.
He's like 6'7".
He's like 6'7". He is 6'7". So I mean, and then our brothers are big too. So yeah, I'm gonna have a big baby. He gonna be mama little big man.
He just gonna be big, and I'm gonna have a little baby because my daughter was little.
Mm-hmm.
She was petite. But no, to answer y'all questions, we did not.
No,
we're not planning it at all.
We didn't.
Not even at all. When we found out she was pregnant, like 2 weeks later, I found out I was pregnant because
she missed her period. Well, she missed her menstruation.
Like 2 weeks later, I found out I was pregnant. I didn't even tell nobody. Like if we was planning it, I would have ran like, "Tom, I'm pregnant," but I didn't do that. So,
bitch, I got to take a
picture. It was kind of a shock type thing.
Yeah. So the next question was, they said no question, but twins don't normally get pregnant at the same time, and it takes years to plan something like that. It's a blessing. They said it's a blessing. Y'all are blessed.
Thank you.
Thank you. It do take years to plan something like that, to get pregnant with somebody, because you never know. But thank you. Somebody said, how old are y'all?
28.
I was waiting on you to answer.
We're 28, pushing 30.
Mm-hmm. We're 28. Our birthday. Our birthday is September the 26th. September the 26th. We was born in 91.
Pretty old. We're Libra. The mean ones.
Yes. No, she the mean Libra. I'm the nice Libra of the group. I'm one of the sweet Libras. That is a lot of seafood.
I know.
Bruh. If you're in Gulf Shores, Alabama, please make sure. Go stop by Blaylock. Say the twins sent you.
They know us personally.
Mm-hmm.
Come on with the next question, so.
How tall are y'all?
How tall am I? How tall am I?
How tall is my Cora? How tall am I?
I'm 5'7" and a half. 5'7",
and I'm 5'8". We're not identical in height though, but we are identical twins.
She taller than me.
I'm taller than her.
She got me by, I think you got me by a whole 10 inches, so you pretty tall.
I'm tall. I'm the bigger twin as well. You know I'm the bigger twin. I'm bigger than her. I always have been. They call me Little Greedy. A lie. But ain't none in there. This sausage is good too. Okay, let me make sure I get it good. Dang it, I wanted to get it good. Hold on. Damn. I'm gonna have to. Okay. Who's the oldest? The next question says, Donna. Who's the oldest?
The greedy.
Greedy. Me. Ty.
She only the oldest by a minute.
I'm still older than you.
Maybe not even probably a minute. They probably rounded.
I'm older than her by a minute.
Some seconds.
A minute. Mama said it was a minute.
She don't know.
Shout out to our mama. You did your thing when you had us, girl.
I knew you were finna say that.
I really want this meat out of here.
Let me help you so.
No.
Girl, I know you lying. You sticking the claw in there?
Yeah, girl. Oh, my eye.
These potatoes taste different today. They real good.
The next question. Oh, you lovely people. Why am I answering all the questions?
Because you got the phone.
Shit.
With the questions on it.
Okay. Oh, you done already beat your corn.
Oh, to God, I did.
Go, can you get these folks the next question? She is so can't y'all tell who the nice twin and who the...
Me? I'm nice one.
Danisha, I am hungry. Give me a second. They ain't going nowhere. They still watching. Ain't y'all still watching?
Look how cold that water is. Oh my God.
Ta-na-na. The next question. Which one of y'all is the meanest?
Did helpful right here.
This corn so good. You trying to change the subject. I know they looking at you and they probably thinking to themselves, nah, she acting like the mean one. Now, come on. You have to tell the truth to the people.
What y'all don't understand, I'm not mean.
Ooh, y'all. She done made me cry. One day.
So you a lie.
Then came out the room and hugged me and said she was sorry. This girl me, man. This girl me say I'm lying.
Say you lying?
Shut up.
I don't recall.
Them potatoes is hitting a little different today.
I don't think I'm the meanest. My whole family say that though. And my brother said that same thing too. But I don't see it.
Well, baby, I don't know what you're seeing. Ooh, that's a lot of meat on this.
You think I'm the meanest too?
Heck yeah, I think you the meanest.
But I'm nice to you.
You nice to me, yeah. But sometimes, shit. You mean for real, though. She mean for real. But at the same time, it's cool.
It's alright.
It's cool. We ain't sweat.
Dang, sister.
Cause that's my baby, though.
How many? How many snow crabs you ate though?
Okay, why you all over here on my side? You sit over there and eat.
Because I had one snow crab.
No, you eating at your own pace. You are eating at your own pace. I did not tell you what you can and cannot pick up.
Taisha.
What?
Nah.
I did not tell you what you can and cannot pick up down there.
Where my claw at though?
What claw?
You need to go on somewhere.
You act like I'm telling you what you can and can't pick up, baby. You could have picked up 5 crab legs and that snow crabs, and I wouldn't have said nothing.
All right.
Y'all don't do that. Don't do that.
Bet.
Next question. Do y'all like being twins? You know what? People used to ask us this all the time when we was little.
I love it.
I love being a twin, but at the same time, you got to think about it. We don't know how it feels to not be a twin. But when I tell you I absolutely love being a twin, I love it. I absolutely love it. I wouldn't trade my sister for nothing in the world.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. Say it again, though.
I wouldn't trade my sister for nothing in the world.
Nothing. No. In the world. Nah, but for real though, all jokes to the side. Nah, like being a twin is like the best thing ever. Y'all should really try it.
They can't. Y'all can't though.
Y'all should really try it. Like, it's crazy. When you say stuff at the exact same time, it sounds like you echoing.
And like when you thinking, you know how you used to think stuff at the same time and literally say
it at the same time. Especially when we be at registers and stuff. People be like,
y'all twins.
Even though we like dress so different. Hold on. The spices got me running.
Yeah, even though we dress so different.
People still like know, like we don't notice how much we look alike in public, but people like still notice how much we look alike and how much. Because everywhere we go, they be like, y'all twins.
Y'all must be twins. Y'all, they either say y'all twins or y'all sisters. Or y'all sisters. Dang it.
Bro, hold on. I had to show them this one too.
Dang it, that ain't gonna come out right. Come on, you got to come out right. Y'all, I got to get it to come out right. Oh, hell, it's gonna break. Damn it. That would have been perfect.
The Lord keep on blessing me. We both speaking at the same time.
Okay. The next question. What's the difference in identical twins and fraternal twins? You answer that, sis. I'm tired. I'm reading.
The difference is scientifically proving
Ew,
that
they didn't ask you.
Identical twins are in
the same sex.
Man, leave me alone. The identical twins are one egg that's split. They're in the same sack. Like how I'm putting this?
Yes.
I'm smart, I told you. Fraternal twins are two separate eggs. Right?
Yes. Fraternal twins are two separate eggs. And identical twins, the same egg that's split to make two eggs.
So it's basically the same DNA. It just split.
Mm-hmm.
We have the same DNA. Fraternal twins don't have the same DNA. Fraternal twins don't look alike. We look alike. Fraternal twins can be a boy or girl. Identical twins can never be a boy or a girl. Identical twins either two boys or two girls.
Because they're literally the same person, well, egg at that point, but they just split.
Like we got the same nose. We got the same everything.
I'm just a little fatter. If okay, let's say if y'all didn't know this, what he kicked,
Girl.
if y'all didn't know this, y'all about to now. Tell them the thing.
Guys, not telling these folks these stuff.
I guess y'all won't know the thing. Next question.
Let me tell y'all.
Okay. I knew she was gonna come through for y'all. Scientifically proven.
Scientifically. She tried to use my shit.
Scientifically proven our kids are half siblings. Like half siblings.
They technically in real life they're not half siblings.
Yeah, but
they're first cousins. But they could be half siblings. because we share the same DNA. And since we share the same DNA, our kids will share 50% DNA. And 50% DNA is also shared by half siblings. Like half siblings are like, it's like we got the same mama but not the same daddy. Or you got the same daddy but not the same mama. That's half siblings. To better explain it, say for instance, we was to marry identical twins, like identical twin boys.
Well, it's not gonna happen.
Never.
Because I'm a lesbian.
Never.
I gotta watch. Hey, babe.
No, good. Shut up. But just say in general, we was to like marry identical twins and have kids with those identical twin boys. Our kids can be technically whole sisters and brothers, like sisters and brothers, because they both will have like 100% DNA.
Girl, look at my shirt.
I know some of you won't get it because some of you are a little slow, not educated. That's okay. That's what they have IEP meetings for at school. She stayed.
Tanisha. She stayed giving somebody a damn IEP meeting. You know them folks.
Okay, anyways. But I ain't judging nobody, Lord.
Somebody said one of you is a lesbian. I love it. I'm gay. I'm gay. Yeah, I'm a lesbian. 110% a lesbian. Women. Only been with women. Literally only.
No, bro, no. Get them little ones. Taisha. No, you can't take. You ate a whole claw by yourself.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
No, I did not, bro. No, I did not.
I don't take my food. You can't have two of them. That's not fair, Taisha.
Here.
I don't want that shit. You're not gonna get the bigger one then. Because you had a whole fiesta. Look at her plate. Look at mine. Look at this. Look at that.
Tanisha, you made me lose the question.
Y'all, please look at that. Look at that. It don't make no sense, bro. Y'all like how I sound together? It don't make no sense. You can't be doing that. Oh. See? Greedy.
But I did it.
God, please, you got a whole mountain over there. I had 3. This is my third one. You had 16.
16.
That's why you breathing hard. You hear yourself?
I'm breathing hard because I'm pregnant.
Can't even fight for my own snow crab.
I'm so racist.
I know. Don't touch my
It's all out of love. No question, y'all are absolutely beautiful. Thank you.
Okay. I feel like I look weird though.
You alright?
I look very weird.
Excuse me. You wouldn't want that little ass piece of meat anyway, sis.
I'm upset right now. I don't feel like talking.
Okay, if a lot of you did not know, I got pregnant doing, we call it at home IUI. I have a sperm donor. I have not been with the guy. Because a lot of people say that too. It's annoying.
It's just ignorant, folks.
It's annoying.
I won't even engage in what people talk about. They just dumb.
No.
Yeah, if anybody take offense to saying them, you just dumb, then it got to be one of you. Period.
I don't find it to be annoying because I know like what I did, but no. I got pregnant from a sperm donor doing at home IUI. Me and my fiance did it at home. It was just like artificial insemination, something like that. If you did not know, lesbians can get pregnant that way. I got pregnant that way. I even explained what we did, showed all the tools that we use. I would like to address this too.
She like to dress everything.
Because like you on her, why the girly one didn't get pregnant? Why did they call it the stud? But why she got pregnant and the girly one didn't? Yes, I got pregnant because my fiance can't have kids. Bitch, I ain't even. Yes, I got pregnant because my fiance can't have kids. But if she could have kids, is what y'all need to understand is, if she could have kids, I would still carry my own child, okay? I would still carry my baby. Just to show as I'm carrying it today, I would still carry him if she could get pregnant. We'll be 7 months tomorrow, and we'll also be in our third trimester. Whoa.
Did I do it right?
A little bit.
I did.
We'll be in our third trimester tomorrow.
2 months and 26 days to go. No, that's gonna make me pass out. I feel like that's right there.
I'm scared.
I ain't scared. I'm excited.
I'm excited, but I'm scared. I feel like I'm gonna be in pain for years.
It is painful. It is. Yeah. But I take pain very well. Ty don't take pain good. You'll think she'll take pain well, but she don't. Ty will be in the hospital room crying. I see you down.
I'm gonna be balling. I feel it. I ain't gonna be like you was when you had Ellen, when you was just like,
I'm just breathing through.
oh, yeah, I'm gonna be screaming my damn lungs off. They gonna kick me out.
They can't kick you out, sis. I'll beat them up.
Period. But we're gonna roll out. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Help our channel grow.
Here go a sausage. That might ate it.
DA got that dope.